is for the face defense. So let's start. Left hand open. As a beginning, open your left hand. So we show you 2 times slow. Each. Just after completing, open the fingers on the same place and try another hand. Knee. Yeah, now move faster. Each. Knee. Sun. Shi. Go. Eight. Point you should keep in your mind while doing your arm. Your center of the arm, it should be here. Many students do the common mistakes, they keep the RDOK this way. So this is the wrong. If the opponent will punch, you can't resist the punch. Okay? So you have to use your center of your arm so it will be more stronger. You will get a good stability of the shoulder strength. Okay? And your another hand would be on the wrist. Elbow facing, you have to keep backward. So this is the Agyuke block. Hai, yummy.